Hello students, welcome to our next lecture. Standard 8, chapter number 5, data handling. So now the first question is, what is the meaning of data? So now any information you collected, this is your data. Okay, any type of information, these all known as data. So now in the previous standard you have studied about some pictograph, bar graph and double bar graph. Okay, pictograph, bar graph and double bar graph. Revise these topics. So now what is the meaning of pictograph? So pictograph is, so some data are represented by some pictures. Okay, suppose we take in a stationery. So now in a weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so selling of pencil. Okay, on Monday, suppose selling of pencil is 40, but we represent one pencil is equal to 10 pencil. So now one pencil represented 10 pencil, so we draw 40, for we draw, there should be 4 pencil. Okay, suppose Tuesday there will be 20 pencils sold, so now we present 2 pencil. Suppose Wednesday there should be 25 pencil, so now this is your 10, 20 and we draw half pencil because we represent 2 want 5 pencil. So now full pencil is 10, so now half pencil represented 5 pencil. So now this is for 10, again 10 and this is for 5. Total will be 25 pencils sold on Wednesday. Okay, so now this information is about pictograph. Now next thing is for bar graph. Bar graph have bar represented on x-axis and the values of height will be represented on y-axis. Suppose we take this as here subject and on this side will be marks. So now we represented marks of student in different subjects. Suppose in English there will be 25 marks. There will be 0, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Next in Hindi there will be 20 marks. Okay. There will be maths is 30. So now in this way you can solve bar graph. Now what is the meaning of double bar graph? If you represent two data in only one graph, you use two data in one graph, you should draw double bar graph. Suppose this marks is for first semester and we represent also second semester, so now we draw suppose in English there will be 25 marks and this is your first sem, and in second sem there will be 28 marks, so this is your second semester in English. Next in Hindi there will be 20 marks and next thing is 22, so this is your first sem, this is your second sem. Okay, in maths there will be 30 in first semester and there will be 28 in second semester. Okay, this is your double bar graph, and these topics are you already studied in previously standard. Okay.